In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add money to your PandaBuy balance. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to pandabuy.com and then you're gonna click on your profile after you have logged in. From here, you're going to click on User Center. Once you're here, on the left hand side, you're gonna see a menu. From this menu, you're gonna click on this option of wallet, and once you're here, you'll have to be on the balance tab. Here you can see that my current balance is 0. So now, to put in some balance in my account, all I have to do is click top up. So this basically means that you can recharge some of the currency to your account, and then whenever you're buying something, you can directly pay for it from here, your balance. So this means that you won't have to waste your time putting in your info and etc. So then you can click on top up. You can write the amount you want to put in your account, so let's say 1000. Then you can click confirm. So once that is done, it's gonna give you an amount in dollars, and then you can choose any of the payment methods, for example PayPal, Stripe, or credit or debit card. So you can just choose any options which is favorable to you. For example, let's say PayPal, you can click confirm payment, and then it's going to redirect you to a new page where you'll have to enter your email and password and pay. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.